Data EFF data. Data EFF data. Down Gerinel down. Down AfriForum down. Down Cyril Ramaphosa down. Down ANC government down. Awe mmusho wa maokhodu awe. Awe mmusho wa mtwana muimela awe. Awe mmusho wa digata marukwana awe. Mandla. Thank you very much. Ralebo abaetapele barena. Our leaders, national, by Tilepele, Secretary General, Leba Province, by Tilepele, Chairperson Arena, Mandisa, Masheo, Leba Tapelekamu, Kaba, the region, Relevoele, now the ground forces, EFF, they appreciate Angore. Every time we are persecuted, it is not us as individuals, but it is the EFF which is persecuted. Bari bidijemo today, bari retunchiches tunyako eventing ya EFF. Yalo bari banyaga ore twarela ore renchiches tunyako EFF event. Ka eventing ya rena, mo ilele rena. AfriForum e complain hore be re tlo go batla batho ba EFF banya makgowa ba re nyela hore dianko EFF ke business ya EFF. It is our own business. AfriForum has got nothing to do le Rudi Wango EFF. Rena Ritsi, ore bona ba kopane, ba kutana mavoya, bona magolo, ba kutana mavoya, magolo na. Aritsi, kita mabona ya makua, amatala, auchichena ya rena. Abar follow ba loiba. Aritibur barinyaka mbu satan ba. Herli ri lwako parlamente mbar sheje murao. Lar dialo rena kamo EFF rally. Moi being EFF people. What we do there is none of their business. Whether bula khumur pasabadimu is none of their business. Mara bapalla ki chabona bashalane morao le taba cha EFF. They do that because they don't have anything against the EFF. They try everything in their power to discredit the EFF. Everything that they can put their hands on, they use it to fight the EFF. So comrades, we must never be shaken. We came here, bar corona, rinyaka utiba urna what happened, Kastunya, Kwam Dansan, Sisa Dukashi Stadium, Rarnarti. We don't know anything. Bare rara warto bolela sen. Rtakwa kalena. Le sebone le nas tunya le na mapolisa. Ke sa mohuta mang. Aba re boje na re a bona stu. Arrested. Arreste be lo re ba bolla kae. Ntwe re bone nkwa ke di cricket. Ara bona di tunya be re keteka. Yolo, he lo re bona ba bone tunya. Abatle ba re fe sona. Ba re boje re ke stunya sa mohuta mang. Se berekile yuan se berekisha ke mang. Yalo hauna nto re tlo ya raba. Hey Lord banyaka o recharger, they must go on and charge us. Are chabe tronko, are chabe ukhwa, are nasilo, re tswana le batho ba khwile. So they can do whatever they want to do. We are not scared. We will never be intimidated by Cyril Ramaphosa's government, which is in collaboration with the right-wing elements of the AfriForum. We are not scared of AfriForum. We are not scared of Afrikaners. They must know that we are not blacks of the ANC. We are blacks of the EFF who are not scared of white people, who are not scared of Afrikaners. They want to fight, we are ready. We will take them toe to toe. If they want to fight on the streets, let them come. If they want to fight in court, let them come. We are everywhere. We are ready for them. They must never think that we are this ANC forever apologizing black people. We will fight for our country. We will fight for our land, whether they like it or not. We don't require their permission. The other case, Barle Bator Tswara, Nalem Guisen, Barbetile Monal Koa, Go Johannesburg, Barle Godi Pampiri, Barbor Tswara, Bar charge. Today, Bar phone, Bar no, hey, Resadiad investigation, Ebanle Minyan. Yet they announced that they are charging us. Now they come back and say we are still investigating. Why were they in a hurry to announce? They do that because they just want to smear the EFF. The case they are talking about, we know it very well. It was during Winnie Mandela's funeral when a white Afrikaner male refused me to enter the graveside on the day of the funeral of Winnie Mandela. There is no white man, dead or alive, not Malan, not Verwoerd, not declared, not Botha, will stop me from burying Winnie Mandela. There was no white man who was going to stop me from burying Winnie Mandela. Bari, ban charge common assault. Kere watsiba ke ke tshola. Ke be ke swantse ke metile ka o fisa ke molapo. Or ke second one need. Ke ska second nonsense. What is common assault? A policeman that complains about common assault. What is a common assault on a policeman? A white male deployed to come and target us and refuse us to enter the cemetery where Winnie Mandela was going to be buried. No one was going to do that. The policemen provoked us on an emotional day where we were going to bury our mother. No one was going to stop me from burying my own mother. Yes, a white man. A white man refuses me to bury my mother. The ANC wants to take me to jail because I refused the white man's refusal to bury Winnie Mandela. We are not going to allow that. The ANC, in collaboration with right wing, refuses me, a man who marched with Winnie Mandela every day of her life. I stood next to her. I had to stand next to the grave when the coffin was going down to give my last salute. The ANC wanted to refuse me an opportunity to salute the grave and the coffin of the martyr. I will not allow that. I was not going to allow that. And if that means prison, that I'm going to be imprisoned because I insisted on burying Winnie Mandela, I'm prepared to go to jail. I do not deny the allegations they are putting on me on that case. It is true, it happened. I was provoked, I was denied an opportunity to bury my own mother. That white man must thank his racist ancestors because something worse would have happened that day. Amen. They ought to be grateful that we didn't go to the extreme. That was the highest form of provocation. How does a man come to Julius Malema and say, you are not allowed to bury Winnie Mandela? Cyril Ramaphosa tried with the family. Fikile Mbalula tried with the family. And the family told them, Julius is going to speak at my mom's funeral. They tried to block me from speaking at Winnie's funeral. They failed. They activated police to come and stop me at the grave. They failed. Because no one can defeat Winnie Mandela. Throughout, even when we're defeating the white male policemen, Winnie Mandela's spirit was guiding us forever with us. So we will not even make an apology about that. If anything, the white man owes us an apology and owes Winnie Mandela an apology for refusing her children an entry into a graveyard. Fighters, I want all of you. In politics, in the EFF, we don't want fanatics. What about live fan? Where juju. The day ba take a juju, opalla ko ansara wa flat. Don't be a fan. Be a revolutionary. Don't be a fan. Be a revolutionary. Today, when our defender go Twitter, tomorrow bataka the same allegations, writing in a different English. You are a fan. Una le karebe mo ba re ke Polifan Veik. O ngwadile ditori maban. Angwala re Malema VBS money, Malema's cousin Mauna got the VBS money and all that. There is nothing like that. She wrote about that even before. My brother's company got money from Skamega, not from VBS. She says that herself. And there is no single cent that my brother got from VBS. But she repeatedly writes that nonsense. And people say now, hey, there is new evidence. There is no new evidence. He says Malema is using this company for all his benefits. When Malema was in Durban, he slept in this hotel. I don't know the hotel. I've never been to that hotel. When Malema came back from Durban July, he bought Nando's at What Garage. He was driving back to Joburg. Hey, says he, I don't drive to Durban, I fly. Check your facts. They say my brother paid 500,000 at Durban July buying alcohol. Let me explain to you. My brother, every Durban July, they buy a marquee. They do decorations and then sell tickets, what we call corporate tickets, at 70,000 each. They make business in Durban July. So they pay 500, they make more than that. But when they write about it in the papers, it's as if they were drinking 500,000. They bought a marquee, it's called Opulence Marquee. And then they sell tickets. And that's how they make money. It's an investment. Anyone who buys a ticket, buys alcohol inside, buys food inside, that's how they make money. She says, yeah, this company is not making business with government to show that it's not a real company. When my cousins make business with government, they say it's corruption. It's Malema who's giving them tenders. When they don't do tenders and go and try business outside government, this is not a real company. Why is it not doing business with government? Khomya mushat. Why rapa o molatu? Why lesa o molatu? There is nothing like that. Let's take one example in Polly van Veek's statement. He says, my brother gave Major League Gardens 500,000. They were doing a festival in Joburg. The same Polly van Veek confesses in this question sent to Major League Gardens that we see they gave you 500,000, you took it back as 600,000. That's how business is done. My brother invested in it to make money. He didn't lose money. He put 500,000, he got 600,000. That's how business works. It's an investment. No, it's Malema. A Malema. There is nothing now. Every Malema, including those who don't know me, by the way, Malema say name is too big. When they try to open a bank account, they refuse them. They are being harassed where they work because people think that they are my relatives. Even when they have nothing to do with me, they are being punished for being the Malemas. But they are not scared. They know, they appreciate that it is part of the struggle we are confronted with. There is nothing that Polly van Veek can say, everyone, which will shake us. There is nothing that the EFF has done illegally. Anyone who wants the VBS money, you are barking at the wrong door. Yes. The ANC has got the money of the VBS. That's why you must go and get the money. They took the money from municipalities, put in the VBS, go and steal it from a VBS. We don't have any municipality. Not even Tshwane belongs to us. We have never put any money in the VBS to go and hijack it from the other side. It's VBS every day. Now we are toilet. But check out toilet paper who has here VBS and now. Why? That is the only thing they have. The only weapon they have to destroy the EFF. There is nothing more. Ramaphosa more than 500 million from dodgy characters. Polly van Veek has never written graphs, or it came from here, it went here, and she writes and rewrites the same graph. This story, she writes it with a red color. The next one is a green color. You think it's a different graph. It's the same graph. The color is different. Same story all the time, with an aim to divide and destroy the EFF. Check the facts. Don't be a fanatic. They say no, Malema was at, what is this place? Yeah, Silverton. Malema was at Silverton. The card worked at Silverton of this company. But my cousins are EFF and they are everywhere where I am in most times. When you go to Mdantsane, they are there. Oh. When you go to Durban, they are there. Not in the VIP area with ordinary people because they belong to this movement. So to say Julius was there and assume my cousin was not there is actually stupid. Those who know them, they always see them everywhere where there are major events of the EFF. My grandmother died doing the same. She attended every event of the EFF when she was fit. Why? We start in the family. We recruit in the family. Your wife, your children, your cousins. If your own relatives can't believe in your cause, who else will believe in your cause? So they say all of this nonsense to come and derail the revolution. They say Malema, hey, he's buying Gucci, he's buying Louis Vuitton. If you are not a fan, you will know that I came to EFF wearing Gucci and Louis Vuitton. If you doubt, go to YouTube and check the interview I did with Deborah Patta. Utilemo EFF udu chutse ba hore ke apara Gucci and Louis Vuitton. Yalo ngwaki. Why didn't you just stay away if we're now nyaki leader ya apara Gucci and Louis Vuitton? You came knowing. Na ke kopane le tsona ntho tse mo ke tlile ke di tshwere. EFF, the biggest scandal was that Malema bought a house in Sandton, Aituba Aharanto Yengwe, Sarsi Achianto ya Malema ko Sandton. You joined and voted for EFF, knowing or Malema onna Sandton. Asanga Gargena Alexander. Asanga Gargena Elias Motwale di squatter camp. Yalo why mamotore ban na Sandton ikwa. Utore ilewe. Be a revolutionary before u joina dilo bala ka tsona o balele history ya baeta pele before u joina tloela o tortina mama tortsishimisha ke manga sanjane Sandton Fairwood Malan batho bale ba Alexander re nyaka le bona banne Sandton or banne go tshwana le Sandton a re lwele gore lebe in that permanent situation re lwela gore re tswe tlaleng re nne mo go nang le metsi le motlagase le skontiri le di street lights le mebereko le di clinic Arinya kor moto a travel more than 5 kilometers ayonyaka clinic. We want Sandton tent Alexander tent upside down. Ever a beautiful place for human settlement. Harinya kintwela lena ila asibudula batho mola. Mola ba re dampile deep slot asibudula batho mola. Mekuku ya mo Atteridgeville. We want our people to live better than Sandton, have bigger portions of land, have jobs, have clean water, level pool. Listen, as I say, we will tata mugana mo. Ya like teman, kadi weekend le nave. The environment must be so conducive that it allows us to detox, just stress, second weekend, who are permanently angry. Why? We stay in an environment that doesn't allow us to even relax. Banaba bulaiwa, basadi ba katiwa. This anger that is built in us must be uprooted through genuine economic empowerment of our people. Anger yer swanjer dile gayona. And aona mutuaka dilang kayona except changing the living material condition of our people. Na akilwelo lenne Alexander deep slot or mikukung forever. Kenyaka or little liye munono o fita ka mukoma kwa yanka ona. Why? Le fasikela lena. Why should the visitors eat more than you? You have to eat more than them. You are the host, they are the visitors. And we make no apology about that. Every time one of us, two of us, three of us make progress, we must rejoice because that's where we want to go. Alex, we are guy. Alex. Amuto muntswa ka ba rutso shatho wa ba batamela ba meta to ka thoka boela mra. And le black people, we help them to put down our own. So comrades, let us not be shaken. Know your leaders. Know the scandals and the issues that your leaders had before, and decide what you want to do. Don't be a fanatic. War pirates I lose each other regard low change. Pro supporter shallows. Defend the bereka yualo. But a person who joins after reading and researching, your soul is intact because what's about ujoineji. Now I will never drink alcohol of 500,000. I help the poor all my life. I build houses for the poor all my life. I take their children to schools. All of those who live with me in politics and in business, they will tell you that he always searches us to go and help the poor. We do so without cameras. We do so without statements, because we know the pain and the suffering of poor people. I don't read about poverty. I lived poverty. I know what it means to sleep without bread. I don't have to be poor to know where we come from, because I come from there. No lempile mereko wa re ke be parlamente. I can't be the same because ke a gola. I can't be the same. I can't claim to be a working class, but my background allows me to lead the working class because I know the struggles of the working class. That's who I am. And if you don't want my leadership, the conference is coming in December, you can remove me. If you don't want the leadership of the EFF, the choice is yours. In the EFF, we don't force anyone to follow us. We recruit and make people understand why it is important to join the EFF. Don't be shaken by agent provocateurs. Don't be shaken by moles. Don't be shaken by staff riders who joined the EFF not knowing what this organization is about. Comrades, you must know your leaders. The whites are not happy with us. And the fact that the whites are not happy with us, I am very happy. It means we are doing something right. The enemy is very angry with the EFF. The enemy will do everything in its power to destroy the EFF. They will use the courts, they will use the police, they will use the media to destroy the EFF. But the EFF will be destroyed by the media if it is built by the media and not by branches. We are not built by the media. We are not built by Facebook. We are not built by Twitter. If you are built by Twitter, then you are not EFF. There is no branch of the EFF on Twitter. There is no branch of the EFF on Facebook. See, work the ground, have the branch. If you are a councillor of the EFF and you don't have a branch, shame on you. If you are an RCT member and you don't have a branch, shame on you. If you are a PCT member and you don't have a branch, shame on you. If you are on this track and you don't have a branch, go down. Because you don't belong to this stage. On this stage is only people with branches in good standing, and not branches that live only for conference, but branches that live forever, solving the problems of our people. Comrades, go and fix branches. a re lokišetše conference re lokišetša 2021 re nyaka o tšea Tshwane completely. We want to take Joburg completely. We want to take Ekurhuleni completely without leaving branches. Le tlo launcha on the eve of elections, but ba rena ba tlo re ke lena bo mang a re le tsebe tsamalo launcha the branch. No, work with communities now. When 2021 comes, ha le fitla o tla kwa ba gakolo ba re ba ke ba rena re a ba tseba. Our vote is obvious. He ba re a re le tsebe, they mean after electing you, where are we going to find you? Because banyaka o re ba le tsebe o ra bana le mathata, they must come to you. The branch is not for conference. The branch is for dealing with the problems of our people on daily basis. Arena the seasonal branch. Arena the branch ja winter or just summer or just spring. Rena le branch ya pillar forever and ever. Thursday, comrades, re taberele ko Orlando, re celebrate the life of Robert Mugabe. Let me explain to you. How le fanatic itla opalla. Barikolona, do not celebrate Mugabe. He was a dictator. He killed his own people. But when de Klerk dies, they are going to say de Klerk is a Nobel Prize winner, a man who gave you your freedom. De Klerk went against the majority referendum of white people and gave you freedom. De Klerk is a hero, and you are going to say yes. Because you are told by whites who to celebrate and who not to celebrate. Mugabe was a leader. When you are in a revolution, especially the revolution that includes taking land, the enemy is going to come, infiltrate you, infiltrate your country to undermine the land revolution. Now, when the enemy comes and uses some amongst us to undermine the revolution, the revolutionaries will have to do certain things to defend the revolution. Mugabe had to do what he had to do in defense of the land revolution. Because the land, Ian Smith and all of them, including Britain, they said they will give Mugabe money to buy the land back from white people. When Mugabe said, where's the money? They said, no, we never committed. You didn't understand the Lancaster resolution. Mugabe said, I didn't understand. That's fine. I'm going to take the land now. That was the most revolutionary thing to do. For all his sins were forgiven him because he took the land. That is what is fundamental. We want the land at all costs. Lerena, when we take over the land here in South Africa, they are going to say the same things they are saying about Mugabe, about us. Badar Malema the dictator, Malema the racist, they have already started. Even before we take the land, by just saying we want the land, dictator. Never allow the enemies of our revolution to tell you who your heroes are. Yes. You ought to choose who your heroes are. If you don't want to celebrate Mugabe, there is no problem, my brother and sister. Stay at home. It doesn't matter how many are we. History will absolve us. We are the only ones here who celebrated Fidel Castro's life here in South Africa. The rest of them, they called him a dictator. They called him all sorts of names. Fidel had to do what he did because because imperialism that imposed economic embargo on Cuba would have undermined the achievements of the revolution if Fidel did not do what he had to do. Revolutionaries at times, they are forced to do certain things in defense of the revolution. In the immediate, we may not understand, but in the near future, we will come to appreciate that it was necessary for things to be done the way they were done. How do you say Mugabe is a dictator? A man who has been calling elections after elections. When Tsvangirai won, he got more votes than Mugabe, but he didn't get a threshold which was required by the constitution, hence the government of national unity. Dinyaka udibale. Oskadi wala ka udi. Oskadi kwa kadi editorial comments. Because the journalists still chona di tibiselo. How nyaka ubona out the journalists don't know anything or don't mean anything they write. Go and look at the interview of Helen Zille and the old man, Brazil. There's a veteran journalist, Max Dupree. There is on YouTube an interview between Helen Zille and Max Dupree. They are interviewing each other. Helen Zille asked Max Dupree about the articles he wrote long time ago. Max Dupree doesn't remember those articles. But now you said 1, 2, 3 in your article. He says, oh, me. I never said that. Marawe, now you remember every word which was written by the same people who don't remember anything about what they wrote about. You take them too serious, even beyond how they take themselves. They are shocked that you can recite their articles, which they themselves can recite. They don't remember. They write, destroy a person, leave it, and go to the next one. We're not about so what an able age. So what an able age. What was you join us? Our own founding manifesto, 7 non-negotiable cardinal pillars of the EFF. Read the founding manifesto. All of this, we predicted it long time ago. Comrades, Capital has taken a decision to defend Ramaphosa. You must know that. And once Capital takes a decision, it activates every corner. It even activates influencers. Everything gets bought in defense of Ramaphosa. Let's wait until those papers of public protector are unsealed. They've sealed papers there. Let them open them. You'll be shocked. So the reason why Renarengwadiwa know is because they are anticipating what is going to come out of sealed papers. You are a hypocrite. Hypocrite or no hypocrite, we are going to fight corruption. If there is a corruption done by EFF leaders, take them to police station. Rena harbona corruption, rea police station. Bona ever no corruption against us, abai police station, by newspaper. Why? If it's real corruption, area police station. To allow the newspaper. Open the case. Let's meet in court. We have nothing to fear. We have nothing to hide. They say all of this to suppress us so that we don't talk against their corruption. And we'll never stop talking about their corruption. Whether you want to believe us or not, the truth will keep on coming out. Azanga Rabolela Maka, all the time it has been proven that these people are corrupt to the core. That's why Ramaphosa kwa parliament nguri le abolela kare uye meka VBS yawo. 99.9999% ya corruption ya VBS in a little clotwane checha hauche. They are the ones who stole the money of the poor. So fighters, do not be shaken. Remain focused. From time to time, re tlo bua mo di court. Ba cherintwa ba ishitse ka di court because banana or ba rekile di judge. They can't buy all judges. This judiciary is too big. They are still honorable men and women like Chief Justice Mogoeng Mogoeng. They will never buy all of them. Banabe sukin toa di bunu arilwe uska chaba di bunu sobo ne mongacho na otaba chaba le di bunu jadi mja abate ribaliti le. We are not scared of them. We remain unshaken. We will fight them every corner we see them. We will defeat them. The struggle for economic freedom is unstoppable. Forward we go, backward never. Amanda! Amanda! FIFA, EFF, FIFA! Long live EFF, long live! Forward to expropriation of land without compensation, forward! Forward to expropriation of land without compensation, forward! Amanda! Long live the fighting spirit of Mugabe, long live! Long live the fighting spirit of Winnie Mandela, long live! Amanda! Amanda! Kibela pezu kwentu bache Chabula masisha ya mapon Kibela pezu kwentu bache Chabula masisha ya mapon Chabula mama Chabula masisha ya mapon Chabula mama Chabula masisha ya mapon Kibela pesu kwentu bache Chabula masisha ya mapon Kibela pesu kwentu bache Chabula masisha ya mapon Chabula mama Chabula masisha ya mapon Chabula mama Chabula masisha ya mapon Kibela pesu kwentu bache Chabula masisha ya mapon Who left, who right, Yamasa Who left, Kita Kilame Kiribata Samarumo Samarumo Asicha Where were you?